Was this ever part of the plan? I mean, you were once that little girl in the province, and this little girl had dreams that she carried with her. Kasama ba to doon?
Hindi. Hindi. Pero siguro, ano ba, matandang bata ba ako? Hindi ko alam, ha?
Or nung bata kang matanda, tas ngayon?
Oo, yung nga, batang matanda. Tapos ngayon, matandang bata. Switch, di ba?
Okay lang.
Oo, okay. I don't know, maybe I'm an old soul. I always had that sensitivity for other people.
So, empath po kayo.
I'm an empath. I am an introvert. I am quite introspective and reflective as a person.
Even as a little girl in Mindoro.
Even as a little girl. And that's also how the stories came alive in my mind, di ba? Kasi pag nag-iisa ako at nakikinig ako sa transistor radio ng mga dramas, nabubuhay yung mundo. Lumalaki yung mundo ko. Kasi ang mundo ko naman sa Mindoro, simple lang, di ba? Islander nga kami sa Mindoro, di ba? So simple, payak na buhay.